we talked about how we're going to explain stuff with incentives. Explain what people do with incentives, right? That's our goal. We want to explain why people are doing what they're doing, which will also help us figure out how decisions can be shaped and shifted and moved around and things like that, and anticipating how people are going to choose when things change about the world, right? We want to understand how the world works. So we're going to explain what people do with incentives. The incentive principle, PPL principle, says if you want people to do something, if benefits go up, then that's going to be more people do it. If costs go up, then fewer people do it. Pretty straightforward. Cost benefit principle. Says you should choose the option for which benefits most exceed costs, right? So we're going to look at all of our alternatives. We're going to calculate the economic surplus for each of them, and we're going to figure out which one has the highest option, right? Economic surplus is benefits minus costs. Pretty straightforward. We can do that, right? If we have an option, we have option A, we got option B, we got benefits, we got costs, right? So it'll just be whatever our benefits are, right? Surplus of A is just X minus Y, right? We can value all the different various benefits and costs, which might not have a value in monetary terms, by just asking ourselves, well, what's the amount of money that we would consider equivalent to that particular option, right? So in the case of the jalapeno, we asked ourselves, what's the amount of money that we'd be indifferent between having the jalapeno and having the money? And that's how we figured out what our valuation was that we could put down.